Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. I have a small project share, and this I was completely inspired by Karen. She is Grace B Creations by Karen Beth here on YouTube. Hey girl, she had maybe about a week ago or so, she had created these stick pin cushion. She calls it an Ottoman stick pin cushion, and she was inspired by G Kerr here on YouTube. I will put both of their links down below in the description box. Now, I've seen Karen's stick pin cushion on Facebook, and I started to watch her video a little bit as she was sharing the 4 cushions that she had created. They're all so beautiful. But then I went to G's channel to check out her tutorial, and I watched maybe a few minutes of it, and I kind of put together, I knew like where she was gonna go with it, so I just winged it myself without watching it completely. And let me tell you, I had so much fun creating this. I had shared in my previous Hobby Lobby haul, maybe 2 Hobby Lobbies purchases ago. I will put the link down below if you like to watch it. But I had shared that I purchased these 3x4 canvases from Hobby Lobby, so I could make those little cushions, stick pin cushions. And so I started working on it over the weekend, and anyways, it just came out so adorable, and I love them. So let me go ahead and share with you the 4. So I made 2 out of the little pack. It was 2 pieces of those canvas. So I made 2 Ottoman or pillow stick pin cushions, but they're more like Ottoman because I added feet to it. So I made 2 of those, different styles, and I also did stick pins to go with them. So let me go ahead and share with you the first one I made. So I made this first one. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. So it measures 3x4, and it's just so adorable. So the base is the canvas. I added, oh gosh, it's not polyester filling because I ran out of that. But I have something, I had a different type of material. I don't know the way, what it's called, but it's cushiony. So, and they come like in sheets, and you have to cut it by the yard. So I had plenty of those. So I just trimmed it to the size, and I added, this one, I think I added 3 layers. And then the other one, I added 4 layers. And then, so I covered it with the bottom. This is a lace, this is like a lace, a tulle, embroidered tulle fabric. But under that is pink cheesecloth. So it's a pink color cheesecloth. I think I got it from, I think I purchased it from Hobby Lobby in the wedding section. So I covered it with a pink cheesecloth, and then I added this fabric on top, and this is like embroidered, and it has some sequins on it, tulle. And this is my recent purchase from Joanne Fabrics, so that I purchased like 1 yard and 17 inches of it. And then I added trim all the way around. And this trim is actually from Crafty Me Shop. She sells on Facebook, and then whatever's left over, she puts it in her Etsy shop. So I will link both of those down below. This flower is also from Crafty Me Shop. This beautiful butterfly is from Crafty Me Shop. And then the doily is from my stash. This trim, this is an eyelet trim. I believe I got this from Temu the first time I purchased from there. And so what I did is to cover it, to cover the bottom portion where all the fabric is, you know, just to cover it, I use cardstock. I use chipboard, like the cereal box thickness of chipboard, and I used 2 layers of that, and then I covered it with pink cardstock. And then on the bottom, I use this cutout from a paper collection I have. It says never lose your sparkle, and then I added feet, and these feet I got it from Amazon. So it just came out so cute, and I just love it. So and then my next one that I created, I use these trims. These this kit I also purchased from Crafty Me Shop. Move this, and it came with all of this. But what I use this fabric. It's probably like chiffon. So I use this fabric, and I also use this embroidered tool, and it has like gold threading on the flowers, really beautiful. So I use that, and then I also use this trim. But what I use from the trim is I cut out these little flowers. These little flowers, I cut it out. So I used 3 of those little flowers, and I still have a lot left. And then alongside with some other items also from Crafty Me Shop. So pretty much all of this is from Crafty Me Shop except for the feet and one of the little items. So okay, so this is my other one that I did. I just love it. I love it. It has pearls all the way around. So this one, I cover the bottom with this fabric that you see here. And then so I cover the bottom, and then here you can see the tulle embroidered fabric, which is this one right here. So I was able to place it like this. So I placed it like this, and there was a middle spot right here. So in the middle, I didn't bring the other ones that I had left over, but in the middle I added this applique. It's also for Crafty Me Shop, right in the middle. So it goes from here, down there, like the leaves go right here. And then here in the center, all the flowers and the leaves, I added those little sequin flowers from this trim right here. So this trim, it may be small, but it goes a long way because I could use it in many pieces. And so I used 3 of them. So I used one there, there, and there. And then here is a little petal flowers with a hint of pink. It's like a cream color with a hint of pink or pinky peach in the center. So I added it in the center right there. And then here is this bow pin. It's removable. And I believe this is from Hobby Lobby. I think you get four pins. So here's one of them, really beautiful in gold, because I wanted to bring out the little gold threading right here. And then here you see this beaded trim is also from Crafty Me Shop. So beautiful. And then here I didn't put any cutouts in the bottom, but I did choose, I got some, okay, some already. So then I added feet and then just regular cardstock that kind of went together with the fabric that I have underneath. So it just came out so beautiful. I love it so much. So let me go ahead and share with you the stick pins that I made. So for this gold one, oh my gosh, I made 3 stick pins. They each have 3 stick pins. So for this gold one, I made this pink one. Here's a pink one, and this stick pin, actually, I haven't used my stick pins in projects in such a long time, and I have not made stick pins, beaded stick pins in a very long time, and I have a container full of stick pins that's been given to me that I have purchased. So these 3 were actually given to me, the pins itself, the beads I have from my stash. But the pins actually were given to me by Luisa, and she is My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube in a swap that we did a while back. So I used them. These beads are from my stash as well. I think this was from Hobby Lobby, and this one, it was just a strand, I don't know from where. And then also this little center right here, this rondelle, silver rondelle, comes with these beads right here in a strand that I purchased from Walmart. And then, so this is a silver one because the bead cap has, the pearl cap has a silver filigree cap. So I just kept it all silver. So that goes with this one. And then this one is from my stash as well. This little rondelle right here is from Temu. And these bead caps, they're from BB Craft. You get a nice bag full of bead caps, different sizes, different designs. So these 3 bead caps are from BB Craft. and the beads are from my stash. Really beautiful. And then these beads, the bead caps as well is from, actually these bead caps are from Temu, and then these two beads, it comes in a double strand from Walmart, and they're just so beautiful. I just love it. I love it. So that's what goes with this stick pin cushion. And then with this pink one, I made 3 also, 2 white and a pink one. So here's the pink one, is the same one as I did for the other one, is the same pink one. And then let's see, this one's different. And then this one, it also was gifted to me by Luisa, and silver rondelles, and this rondelle right here, and the beads, they're just so pretty, from my stash. And then this one, comes in the packets from Jesse James Beads, and these packets I bought from Walmart. And they're just so pretty. This looks like almost like a disco ball. It's so pretty. And it's silver. And then I have rondelles. And it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, I like this one too. This bead is really pretty too. So yeah, so these are the pink cushions and stick pins that I created over the weekend. I had so much fun creating these. Also, let me know which one is your favorite. I love both of them. My husband loved this one the most. I like pink, but I like this one too. For some reason, I really like that one. But yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. And yeah, I would love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.